This video highlights the changes we have made to MoversSuite at version 2016 R12. An operational plan allows you to tie services together and send them through to dispatch as a single unit. You can define plans, such as those for a multi-phase operation, and roll them out as needed. Creating an operational plan is done by accessing local services and either adding a new service or editing an existing one. If no plan exists for the order, the option defaults to New. Provide a name for the new plan using up to 64 characters. Fill in the rest of the service information. Pressing Save adds the service along with adding the operation plan to the order. If you wish to add different services to this plan, then press Add Service and choose the plan from the provided list. Operational plans exist only under a single order record, therefore the list of plans to choose from is available only for this order. Feel free to click New and enter in the name of a different plan. To view a listing of services associated to a plan, utilize the Group feature on the data grid. You can also sort by the plan name as well. If the plan is ready for dispatching, select one of the services and press Send to Dispatch. An option at the bottom of the dialog instructs the application to automatically include all services for the plan in the Send to Local Dispatch. Therefore, selecting and sending one service, for example, automatically sends them all. Additionally, if you attach a note to one of the services, then this same note is set for all services. In Local Dispatch, dispatchers have access to the plan and related services and can make appropriate assignments as needed. The operational plan is available from the Requested Services screen and from the main Dispatch Center grid as well. When adding local services, you now have the option to set recommended service times for the service. The time range specified applies to each date in the service date range. So, if you enter a 3-day service spread and provide a time for those services to start, then the time applies to all 3 days. The new time values appear as the requested time range in dispatching grids. This includes the grid within the Local Services tab, as well as grids in Requested Services screen and in the Dispatch Center tab. The application also references this time range through the Set Service Time dialog. The application sets the requested time range as the default job start and job end times. On a final note, the grid displays starts at and ends at accordingly if one of the time values is missing. If your company is in need of creating custom reports utilizing MoversSuite data, then it may be of interest to you to know that there is a new data view available. The new VPR Military Scores data view provides information on a military move that includes scoring data. This data is taken primarily from the Military Government tab. This view produces data for orders with the CSS completion date set for the order. Thank you for taking the time to watch our video on what's new in MoversSuite at version 2016 R12. Please read more about this release through the online help for the version.